An exciting way to answer and pass the exam. Let's try to answer this drill. From criminal law happened in 1992. Upon learning that the police wanted him for the killing of Polistico, Jeprox decided to visit the police station to make inquiries. On his way, he met a policeman who immediately served upon him the warrant of his arrest. During the trial, in the course of the presentation of the prosecution's evidence, Jeprox withdrew his plea of not guilty and entered a plea of guilty. Can he invoke the mitigating circumstances of voluntary surrender and plea of guilty? Explain. Okay, top ones. What is our technique strategy for this one? First things first, you need to read the question twice. Okay? What is the question? Can he invoke the mitigating circumstances of voluntary surrender and plea of guilty? Explain. So you read that twice. After that, you read the whole situation. Read the whole paragraph. Okay? So in our examination tutorial, we have to identify mahiwagang keywords and um, mahiwagang issues and mahiwagang legal keywords. Okay? Both. We need to identify that so that we have a perfect score. So what is our keyword? What is our clue? Here, we have, or what is the issue here? We have whether or not Jeprox can invoke the mitigating circumstances of voluntary surrender and plea of guilty. That is your mahiwagang issues. What is your mahiwagang legal keyword? You need to pair it with your basis, legal answers. Okay? Whether caudals or jurisprudence. Okay? So, you need to identify those two so that you have an easy way of answering your bar exam question, whatever subjects that you have. Okay? Our answer is okay. The answer is Jeprox is not entitled to the mitigating circumstances of voluntary surrender as his going to the police station was only for the purpose of verification of the news that he is wanted by the authorities. Okay, in order to be mitigating, surrender must be spontaneous and that he acknowledges his guilt. Okay, neither is plea of guilty a mitigating circumstances because it was qualified plea. Besides, Article 13, Paragraph 7 provides the confession of guilt must be done before the prosecution had started to present the evidence. So that is the answer. Okay, you have your legal keywords already. Okay, under Article 13, Paragraph 7. Pair it with your issues, whether or not JAPROX can invoke mitigating circumstances and plea of guilty. Okay, so if you learned something, top one attorneys, kindly like, share, and comment this video so that you would receive more drills, more questions like this. Okay, if you really want to surely pass with less anxiety and less stress, you may join us in our examination tutorials and I will teach you the 5 golden rules under Supreme Court. Okay, so that you would yield your final nearest answer. Okay, the correct answer for your question. Okay, thank you very much top ones for listening and God bless, God bless, God bless po.